will show you how to use KISS to make EGR and the DPF off. After you install the software, let me show. This is the software. When you move the arrow like here, the car side must be red. Make a click. In my case, I will find the Peugeot 308. Okay. After you select your car, hit OK button. Maybe after this you need to encode the injector again, but it's no problem for me. Okay. I will use K-line reading. And you need to have these two connectors on a good battery. These two from here. I will show you all you need. So first place you need to delete all errors. Delete errors. I connected the echo. Delete the errors.